Many people have asked me how to use a Tesla referral code to get referral credits. I'm going to show you that in this video. You don't have to use mine. I'm just going to use mine as an example. But if you do use my referral code, I'll be absolutely humbled. Now let's find a referral code. In my case, my referral code is always linked in the description of all my videos. You can click on that. Let's go into one of my videos. Let's go into the Model 3 Performance Delivery. When you go into the description section of my video, you'll see there is more. You scroll down and you can see the referral code there. Use my referral link, it says. Let's click on that and then open a browser. Now you do need to change your country to Australia. And now is the most important step. You click on the top left corner on the Tesla logo there, and that will bring you to the main page. And then click on menu, the top right corner, and decide if you want a brand new one or an existing or a used inventory. In this case, I'm going to show you the existing inventory because there are a few discounts there at this time of making this video in June 2023. Then you choose the location, in my case, New South Wales, and then you can decide between 3 or Y, used or otherwise. There are not much used ones going at this time. A couple of 3s are there, 2019 3s and 2021 3s. But I'm going to show you the Tesla Model Y new inventory because the performance Model Y at this time gets 3 months of free supercharging credit if you buy before June 30th, 2023. Then you scroll, you go into buy now. And that's when your referral credit will be added. So if you are an existing Tesla owner and are going to use your own referral credit link, then you get, I believe, 3,500 referral credits at the time of making this video for a loyalty bonus as well. So that is pretty cool. And then you decide between personal or business registration, and then you go and order with your card. So do not forget, you do need a referral code. Click on the referral code, open, and then this will bring you to this loot box page, and you have to change to the country of your choice, in my case Australia. Then the most important step, top left corner, Tesla logo, and then into menu, and then decide where you want to go. If you like what I'm doing, a subscription to the channel will be awesome. If you are looking for a Tesla of your own, if you are happy to use my referral code, I'll be absolutely humbled. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys another interesting video very soon. Until then, this is Nash from Tesla and the Gong, signing off. Peace.